Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am with another Ajmal scent which is Amber Santal. So Amber Santal, this is the bottle, this is the box, and you can see over here this is Amber Santal. And let's try to open this. So I'm going to open it up. So here we have the actual box, a brownish golden kind of box. So here we have it. Okay, so very nice box. I really love the bottle. It is, you can see over here, a golden amber kind of bottle. Very lovely bottle. A lot of whoever has seen this bottle, they are in love with this bottle. So this is very thick, very heavy kind of glass, and okay, so coming to the smell, so let's try to test its smell now. So I'm going to spray it. Okay, so very nicely blended amber with santal. Amber is very light over here. It is not very dense, or you can say it is not a perfume for winters. You can pull this off in summers too. So very rounded, amber, spices, sandalwood, dry wood type thing, or syrupy is very low over here. It is not syrupy at all. Balsamic, kind of balsamic, reminds me some of balsamic perfumes. Very nicely rounded. I think it is more appropriate for maybe going out somewhere in ceremonies or functions or parties. And this is my review about Amber Santal. It is more on the rounded, not yet a lot of syrupy or sweet. Kind of smoky too. It reminds me of some smoke in the background. Sandal, some smoke, amber, and very rounded, not very powdery or very dense or very, you can say, wintry kind of perfume. Nice one. I think it is a safe perfume. If I assume that it is going to be safe, yes, it is a safe perfume and people are going to enjoy it if they are around you. It is not very heavy on the head. So this is my review about Amber Santal. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Make sure you share, subscribe and like this video. Till then, we will meet with another scent. Take care and bye-bye.